Lord, there are 3 lady companies, Lord, of CISF. Lord, they are not providing the accommodation to them. They have to travel, Lord, from CISF camp, which is 1.5 hour away from the state. Lord, thereafter, Lord, there are several things which we have requested. It is order dated 22nd. And we are, Lord, almost 15 plus days down the line.
Well, as we have provided, in fact, if your lordship looks at our note, we have provided all that they wanted us to provide, everything that they wanted. Just give it to my.
The three companies
Yes.
of women constables
Yes, and
who are
we have
guarding the
separate
Adipur
accommodation for the
college.
women.
Where are they presently housed?
Well, that's I just show to your lordship's mother. Kindly see him.
Look, can I have at least that?
Yeah, we'll just give it to you.
Yes. And I'll also share what is not provided so that you,
Just give it to you.
at least henceforth, you go, instruct
Kindly
them
see,
to
madam.
provide.
Kindly see the accommodation.
Yes.
KMCP Day School, 2.6 kilometers, 13 minutes away. One company proposed things, one company, 54 women personnel. Indira Maitri Shishu Kalyan Hospital, 6 minutes away. One company, 54 women
No,
personnel.
when?
These
Because
have
we
been
have been
provided.
clamoring since
Then
2
there are
weeks.
3 flats in RMO quarters within so-and-so, on site, 20 for 25 personnel. Currently, 20 CIFS personnel are staying in 2 flats of RMO quarters within the hospital, and the rest of the CIFF personnel are commuting from 12 kilometers away. And the school and Indira Maitri Shishu Kalyan Hospital were undergoing construction, and therefore these are identified by the CISF themselves, Malal. So we put them there. And most of the state police officers deployed by so-and-so come from far off places like Police Training Academy, Howrah, which is 22 kilometers away, Bodyguard Lines, which is 12 kilometers, and Police Training School, which is 10 kilometers. So, Malal, I mean,
Lord, this is my instruction
and
as on
our status
10:30
reports, Malal, sets out everything.
as on 10:30 today, my Lord, this is my instruction.
No, but we are telling.
Kindly have a look at this, my Lord.
This is this.
We should not be fighting on this, my Lord. The CISF,
And therefore, exactly.
we requested for
Once I have
handheld metal
stated-
detectors. We requested for door size metal detectors.
Everything is
equipment.
provided.
They provided that after 2 weeks, but this is
No,
still
no,
not
we
provided.
provided there.
Let's have a look at this.
Just a second. What is now remaining to be provided? Mr.
So
Solicitor,
that's
you have
what I
seen
am-
this. They say for housing one company of women personnel consisting of 54 persons, they have provided at KMCP Day School, which is 2.6 kilometers.
Kindly have a look at 10:30. At 10:30, this is
Well,
yet.
let the registrar of the High Court go and see, Malal.
Yes.
Let 10:30, my Lord, this is at 10:30.
Let him go and see.
I don't want, my Lord, I'm not enjoying.
Can we can we look at this for a moment, please?
Yes, Lord.
Accommodation for one company provided in 3 locations as below. RMO Quarter, RG Kar Hospital, 20 persons. KMCP School, 40 persons. Indira Maitri Sadan, 30 persons. Likely to be handed over by evening today. 2 companies are
Yet to be provided
yet to be
accommodation.
provided.
Some security gadgets are provided, some are not provided. Lord, I'm not gaining anything by pointing this out. This is what is needed. Lord, if some incident takes place, Lord, I stand responsible now for the security, the CISF. is responsible.
Just one second. Mr. Sibal, you just check, Ms. Astha Sharma, you can check with the officers.
Yeah,
In your statement, where you have said one company, 54 women personnel,
yes.
that covers one and the same company,
Or
which is
Either
being
one
provided
company
at
or 54 women
KMCP and
personnel.
Indira Maitri or Shishu Kalyan
no, Malal, it's
Hospital.
one company / 54 women personnel.
Right, but the same one company.
Yeah.
But now, as of date, they have deployed 3 companies. So the other 2 are yet to be provided by you.
My Lord, when
One
this is
second.
provided?
One
This
here,
is
Manoj,
provided
kindly see
yesterday.
Indira Maitri, that's the other one too.
Yeah, that's the second one.
That's the second one. It's in Indira Maitri, Manoj, which is
So
1.7
we are trying
kilometers.
to tally what they have handed over with what you have handed over. What they have handed over suggests accommodation for one company provided in 3 locations, which includes 40 persons at KMCP and 30 at Indira Maitri Sadan, and 20 persons at RMO Quarter. Now, that indicates that only one company is taken care of. There are other two.
According to us, no.
Persons plus.
Just ask the registrar to go and
Why
check.
don't you,
One
can-
company, why register?
can we suggest this? Why do we have to ask the registrar to do all this?
Because they are
An
contesting.
officer of the state government and an officer of the, a senior officer of the CISF.
We have done that, Manoj.
Not one
On
company
ground, we have
can-
done that. They are not wanting, in fact, Manoj, on the ground, the story is different. Manoj, what can we say, Manoj?
But one
Alright,
company,
ऐसा लिख लीजिए।
90 individuals,
Okay.
90 officers.
Yeah.
A total of 3 companies of CISF personnel has been deployed for the security at RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. Full stop. Mr. Kapil Sibal, the state of West Bengal has in its submission indicated that provision for housing the personnel has been made thus colon ये in case में page 1 को tabulated chart ले लीजिए. Prima facie it appears from the above tabulation that the prima facie, don't say prima facie it appears from the tabulation. In the statement which has been placed on the record by the union government, on the other hand, it has been indicated that accommodation for one company has been provided in 3 locations, namely at bracket 1 RMA quarter dash RG Kar hospital bracket 20 persons, 2 KMCP school dash 40 persons semicolon and bracket 3 Indira Matri Sadan 3 bracket 30 persons, and that the premises are likely to be handed over by the evening today. Full stop. In order to obviate any logistical difficulties, comma, we direct that an officer of the nominated, a sufficiently senior officer of the Home Department nominated by the state of West Bengal and a senior officer of the CISF at the spot shall jointly liaise so as to ensure that all the 3 companies of the CISF personnel which have been deployed at the spot are duly provided for accommodation in the vicinity at par with what has been stated in the tabulated position set out above. Full stop. Next. In the event that any further full stop arrangements have been made for providing 6 buses, 4 trucks, and 3 light motor vehicles. Full stop. The 2 officers shall ensure that all requisitions, that necessary requisitions which are made by the CISF are duly complied with by 5 p.m. today. Full stop. Necessary gadgets for security purposes shall likewise be arranged no later than by 9 p.m. Today.
No, but that's,
As a matter of fact, this is also provided, must have been provided tomorrow, yesterday or day after. I don't wish to trivialize the magnitude of the
Now,
problem I am dealing with.
one further
by
thing now.
saying
but I have
non-cooperation
3 issues that I wish to place before you.
Before we